Making a sambar, well, this is supposed to be radish sambar, but look at what they have done to the radish, huh? They changed the shape of radish in the world. Nothing looks the same anymore. Well, different variety maybe, or maybe somebody messed with it. They did some lab stuff. We don't know what we are eating these days. We are doing our best to see that what we eat comes from the land. But you never know whether it's coming from the land or the lab. Well, this is not progress. This is Vinashakale Viparita Buddhi, that's what it means. That means when we want a disaster, we get over smart with life. Wrong thing to do. Always understand, the smartest thing out here is creation. The smartest thing out here is life itself. You just learn to live, you just learn to be part of it, you just enjoy being life. Don't try to be smarter than life. That's not going to work, believe me. This poor shapeless radish, I have to cut it and I have to eat it today. Making sambar. There are a lot of events today. Before that, I have to eat something. Sambar and rice. As South Indian as I can be. Good. This is a house that I'm staying. A wonderful friend of ours, a volunteer, very involved with us for many years. A wonderful house, and they have a French chef. All kinds of complicated things he will do. Today I'm keeping him out and making my own sambar. I'm not going to give my sambar to you because if you eat my sambar, you will become enslaved to me. I don't want that to happen, so I'll deny you the sambar today. Just me and a few people here. Really, I'm telling you. This radish doesn't have much pungence like the Indian radish. But even in India, most of it has become hybrid. It is changing shape there also and losing its pungence, but still there are natural radish available in Indian markets. Slowly going away, but I hope we keep it because it's very important we maintain the original seed the way they are. Even if you make modifications, please keep the original seed, because the moment it goes out of commercial market, it looks like everything disappears, absolutely. So we must preserve the seed. I think that wonderful lady, Vandana Shiva, started Beej Bachao, very important. I hope all of us in some way contribute and make sure the seed, the original seed of a variety of things are maintained. Yep. Just bowing down to the radish for having cut him into pieces, but I have to eat.